Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your credit card on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do to change or to update the credit card is to simply go to your profile settings and then go to your linked account. And to do so, we will be needing to first open up the web mobile application, and from there we can see this view or this home screen, and basically all we need to do is to click on the profile picture. So by clicking on the profile picture, you will be able to see this view, and from this view we will find all this information. So you can see here your personal information, such as your username, hashtag, etc. So at the bottom, we will start seeing the account in settings. So from here, we are interested in linked bank accounts. So from here, you can start managing all your accounts from credit cards to bank accounts. So from here, either you can delete or add your bank accounts. And all you need to do now is to simply go to the view. So it will redirect you to this view. And from here, you can see your linked bank account. And here in the accounts, either you can link a bank directly to your account or you can link a credit card. So since we want to update our credit card, so you can remove another card and add a new one or whatever you like. So simply click on the link credit card and then you will be prompted to choose the type of your credit card, and after that you will be needing to add the information of your credit card, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.